So I just hit a personal milestone by buying a new home. It was definitely worth it, but it was so stressful. So I really was not looking forward to going through the entire moving process, but Piece of Cake really came to the rescue. From the start, the Piece of Cake team was super responsive. They got back to all my questions, and not only were they extremely responsive, they were so helpful and nice. It was no different with the moving crew. Alex, John, and Richard were amazing. I was so impressed with their level of professionalism and how delicate they were being with all of our belongings. They wrapped everything with care and truly went above and beyond. There were certain items that we didn't fully package. They brought extra boxes. They started packing it themselves. They fixed boxes that weren't properly packaged. When the crew arrived to our new home, they didn't just throw things around and just leave the boxes there. They asked where everything was gonna be. They even put my clothes in my closet, assembled my couch, made sure everything was placed exactly the way I wanted it. And they did it so promptly. I'm telling you, I was just sitting there like twiddling my thumbs because I didn't know what to do. They handled everything. It truly was a piece of cake.